Crypto.com exchange tutorial. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipen, and today I'll guide you just the basics on how you can perform exchange on Crypto.com. Well, the first thing is to download the app and create an account. Now in my case, I'm on here on the DeFi Wallet app, but you can do so on the Crypto.com app. Unfortunately, it is unavailable and I'm unable to access it at the moment. Then you can sign up and complete your KYC verification. Once you have done so, you can go ahead and deposit the funds into your account. Simply go to the accounts tab, select crypto wallet and tap deposit. Then choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, then follow the instruction. That is if you want to deposit crypto. Similarly, you can see here receive option. Then you can see the address for particular that you would like to receive. Similarly, if you have and if you want to send, you can tap on send and you'll be able to send it here, right here. You can also tap on trade to access the trade options here. You can see swap and brace, and you can see the market option here that you'll be able to access and perform. You can also select spot trading in order to perform here. Now it's not here on the DeFi wallet, but you'll get it on the Crypto.com app. You can also place an order by choosing the trading pair, example BTC for USDT. Select order type, market or limit, enter the amount and confirm the order. You can also monitor your trades on the orders section. You can go to accounts and select crypto wallet and tap withdraw in order to go ahead and withdraw. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.